Hello and welcome back. So this is a continuation of the previous lesson. So don't forget that here we have, working with for loop in arrays. We've already declared our arrays here, which we have as a cars array that contains 5 items, uh, brands of, vehicles of cars, BMW, Ford, Honda, Toyota, and Ford. So now I have an empty variable here, an empty value assigned to my variable, which is where I want the output of my array to show. So I'll just proceed and, don't forget that when you're working with for loop, you need the for keyword in order to do this. So here I can do something like let I, which is going to be like the default at the beginning of my, loop. But in this case, I don't necessarily need to include the let keyword. I can just simply use I to represent the beginning, the first expression. So what am I trying to do? So in array, I need to get the length of this array before I can output them. And if you check the length, in traditional mathematics, you will see 5 items, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in JavaScript, it will count from zero. So this will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need to get the length using the cars.length, which is going to be the length of my array. If my I is less than the length of the array, then I want to continue to increment it until it hits where the item is no longer equal to the value. Then I can say, okay, now my text, which is where I want to output it, should be plus equals the round of my car. I'll put a space, then I'll concatenate it with this value of my array pass, and then add a break so that each can be on each line. So there's something I want to show you that is making me to go this route first. Now, if you take a look at this, is anything showing? Is anything showing in my browser? If I refresh, you can see I'm getting the brand of my car is BMW, Volvo, Honda, Toyota, Ford. Now, instead of separating each items on each line, you see that this array is combine everything together. And that is because what I'm doing here is that I am getting all the items of this array and I'm combining it on each iteration that I'm getting from my phone. In order to get an individual item, just simply put I here, which is the value that you are using in your array, and take a look. Nothing is showing fault because I'm using a wrong curly braces. I need an array. I'm working with an array, so I need a square bracket and not curly braces. So if you take a look now, I can see the brand of my car is BM, the brand of my car is Volvo, Honda, Toyota, and so. So it has taken each of these items and it has splitted them. So it's extracting the items and it's giving me the value that I want as the output in my browser. So start work with our array using for loop in JavaScript. Thank you. I'll see